coming up. Hello, everyone, and welcome to another Thursday afternoon scalping session with Ben and Raffa. As you can see, Raffa's already online. How are you doing, Raffa?
Hello, Ben. I'm doing good. Thanks. Hope you too, and hope our community as well. So, welcome everyone, and let's have another great live session.
Yeah, I can see we already have a few people on. I see Cryptonymous brave enough to enter the chat. Hello, Cryptonomo. Welcome. Thanks for watching again. Is that 3 for 3 this week? You're on fire.
Yeah. Busy week, and yeah, September just started with like a fire beginning. So,
Yeah.
let's hope we can spot something.
Yeah, exactly. So let's get the chart on as well. There we go. Already got the chart on. So what are we going to do today? We're going to be doing some live trading. Yes, you heard it right. We're actually going to take some live trades. Hopefully they will be good. Obviously, we're going to be kind of forced in taking some trades, but there's always some good thrilling opportunities. And yeah, actually, that might be interesting to look at last week because we had which one was it? XPL. Was that what we closed with? Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
That was a trade that you didn't see, or at least the stream ended before we got there. But yeah, beautiful.
Oh yeah, I miss it. I miss it because you keep running it even after the live, right?
Yeah, but basically before I got home, it was already filled.
Oh, okay.
I mean, just a beautiful trade.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Beautiful.
It just took a bit longer, but it was like 5:15 my time. So basically, we ended the stream a few minutes before that. So let's see if we can get these types of beautiful trades in this session as well. I see Soda's here as well.
Hello, Soda.
Is anyone taking trades in this hour as well, or have you been trading already? Let us know. Always happy to get some tips from the audience. If you're watching the quick scanner, if you want to mimic the settings that I have, these are the settings: 15 minutes, Binance Futures USDT with a million volume. Yeah, so let's have a look. We've got Esports. It is broken out here, but yeah, because from last week, what I said was we also might be interested in the ones that actually break the middle line of the Bollinger Band. Just like if they've been going sideways like this one, then there's a high probability that it's going to be going up and following above this line. But currently that's not the case here. So maybe we can just set an alert and see if that happens. Actually, we can lock the tab. We can unlock these because we don't need them. Like so. Oh yeah, before we go into trading, what is the general trend? Bitcoin is saying, I'm not playing today. What has Bitcoin been doing? Going down for the last hour.
Yeah, red day today.
Is there any news? That's also good. Rafa, is there any news?
Yeah, today unemployment claims from US and no-farm payroll and other like labor costs, mostly regard like job fields. So and all them are red bad data. So maybe there is the reason why there is like a quick reaction today. But let's see next week what the Fed will do. So I'm still kind optimist for this scenario. It's a good discount zone for me to, you know, make some trade. But yeah, that is the overview.
Yeah. All right. So sentiment is a bit bad in that sense. So we could be, uh, yeah, we could be seeing some shorts probably below. Then we could see some recoveries to the middle line, but we're definitely not going to aim for the top band because
Yeah,
that would be that would be a stretch.
yeah, right.
Oh, this is already shaping up to be a nice one. Let's make
Yeah,
this.
we could look for some small rebounds, some small move up. What do you think?
Yeah, let's see what the
Let's see.
what the RR is because this looks like a nice first trade. 1.6.
1000 cat. I do remember this token. We
Oh
already have. Yeah. Do you remember it? We already traded like some months ago.
yeah, yeah, I remember that. But I do want to get it here, and then it's going to be a 1-to-1. And cat is it can, but it's going to take a long time. So this bounce is going to take a long time. So we need to get a better RR for this to work. 1.6. Got a few seconds remaining on this candle, but it looks like it's gonna be a red candle, so that's not gonna be an entry for us anyway then. It is a nice candle.
Yeah, it is.
Nice little hammer candle. That means that there might be a sweep that has happened. Can we it's still a 1-to-1. No, I'm gonna pass on this one. Too much indecision here. What have we got here? 175 with this is kind of like that slow move. It's not the massive outbreak yet. As it's on, because this is like, if we go back to the like impulse and correction, then we have the impulse move here, then we have some correction here, we have another impulse move here, then we have some correction here, then we have another impulse move down here, so we have the correction here. So I'm expecting a nice short, at least to here.
Yeah.
It's breaking out, so there. Also a nice touch on the 200 moving average, and this could be a nice trade. Yeah, this is one I'm willing to keep an eye on for now. This line, if it's gonna be above that, then it's gonna be another attempt. Um, it's not oversold yet, so it could be that it's gonna move more to the top side, but I'm expecting that bounce off the 200. So that means technically, if it goes above this, then I'm no longer interested. So I can actually take this one, um, and see if we can get filled on this. If it goes above this line, I'm really not interested because then it's most likely gonna um, break above that and actually go crazy. So that's it. First position of the day.
First trade.
Oh, what did we start with? 176. That's something to keep in mind. We do have an open position on SUI from the smart money concept, so that's kind of included in this one, but it's not included in the balance. So right, so we have hi-fi lock tab. Let's see what Esports was doing. So it did go above this line now, but there isn't a clear reaction to continue. It's like you also see the 200 moving average. It bounced off the 200 moving average. So ideally, we want to see it close above the 200 moving average before we get into this into this one. So still, this is okay. Let's see what the prompt is doing. Oh, nice. Again, with this one, very big slope. We've got plenty of room here. We have the low. We have this a 2.3 RR. That's great. If we can snipe in a little bit lower, that would be even better. Let's those eyes. Yeah, they're in the right zones. So as soon as we see some kind of recovery, then we can enter this trade.
Yeah.
Did we trade prompt before as well? Yes, we did.
Yeah, I do remember this name.
Yeah, it was last week.
Oh.
We got stopped out in 16 minutes.
Oh, yeah.
It looks like it was locked in, like the profits were locked, or it was just on the small slippage.
Yeah, like almost break even. So
yeah.
Yeah, right now we are close to a strong support. So let's see if we could place a long trade.
Yeah, let's see if we can get the chat a bit more active. Is everyone awake? Let us know where you're watching from. If you're watching from Twitch, Twitter, or X, Discord. Oh no, LinkedIn. Yeah, LinkedIn, Twitch, YouTube, or X. Where are you watching from? Be interesting to understand who is there, where you are.
Mention the platform, your address, your everything. So we do know. Yeah, we are streaming on all platforms around the world. So.
Yeah, the major platforms. And for people that are new, this is actually live trading, real money, no fictional stuff. If we lose, we lose. If we win, we win. It's that simple. And look at our open. Hi-Fi is looking okay. This looks like it's shaping up to be a very decent RR if we can get into this one. This is definitely a nice one. Cryptonimo is on YouTube. Nice. That's where we started, so that makes sense that the most people will be on YouTube.
Yeah.
And how long have you been using Altrady for Cryptonimo? Yeah, Bybits. Yeah, sorry about that. There might actually be some good news on the horizon for people from the Netherlands and trading futures. We might have a new exchange, an actual exchange, not a DEX, but a new exchange soon, where you can trade futures.
Nice.
It's a non-KYC exchange, so they don't care if you're Dutch or if you're from Belgium or from America. You can do KYC if you're eligible, but if not, then not. Mm-hmm.
Prompt.
so tempting. But we do need to see a nice recovery. I mean, this was a recovery on the RSI, but not, or on the stochastic, but not on the normal RSI. More than 5 years using Altrady. That's almost as long as we exist. No.
Oh wow, 5 years, such a long time.
No, we started in 2018, so more than 5 years. It's yeah, pretty much the beginning. And in the meantime, Altrady has been under heavy changes. So many new things. I mean, this I'm waiting for this entry because I like it. I want to time it right. I want to make sure that I don't get like, because these candles are a little bit volatile, right? There's a high probability of a nice candle. Oh, we're
Yeah,
actually
but look at the area.
entering
It's,
into a fair value gap on the 15 minutes. I did
yeah,
not even see that.
it's full of open interest there, so
Yeah, I'm going in.
I can feel it. It's gonna be good trade. Come on.
Right. We've got our fill. Second position. Second open position.
I5 and prompt.
Esports. Esports bounced off the 200 and is going to go down. Hi-Fi is looking good. Hi-Fi is looking good. Now, if it reaches that, I want to lock in my profits a lot more. I don't want it to go back up again. If it reaches
Let's
this
be
line,
intelligent.
then we'll go here. Because this was a bounce off the 200. That's a great one. In a fair value gap as well. So we're in a fair value gap. All signs point towards. We've got the Stream Boo spammer again. This is on Twitch. I'm not sure if we have any viewers on Twitch yet.
I think so.
Yeah, I'm gonna lock it in. I'm gonna be taking a very small profit percentage if it does. I don't want to get this wavy bit. I wanted to get this move. If I can't catch it now, we might catch it again when it goes up here. Oh, we can watch this one for a little bit longer. We don't need to use the scanner per se. I'm happy to add another winner to the list if this one breaks out. I mean, this pattern is pretty consistent. Breaking out, going down, breaking out, going down, touching this line. And at some point, it's going to break out of this line and actually continue to go down. So we get our massive profit. And
so nice analysis.
Prompt is going up. That's a nice candle. Wait, I also wanted to check this one now. It's not green yet. Okay.
Aikanashi.
Yeah, we got a nice first red candle on Aikanashi. Yeah, that's it. We're out. No problem. No problem. It's profit. So we have trades 1, win rate 100, P&L is currently, what was it, 1? So uh, 0.5%. Okay. Plus 0.5.
Here we go. banner trades, one win rate 100%, 0.5.
Freaking out. Oh, come on. If we can get this to close, and it's going above that one, then I'm happy that it will take this line. Yeah, that gives us a 2. That's fine. If it comes back down again, we'll take it. Then we'll take it. I mean, the analysis is good again. Can we get the fill? That's the question. Volatility on the minute.
Yeah.
Look, hi-fi. It's good. Prompt. Not yet. Can also just do it like that. It's a little bit less invasive. Esports. Esports did not fill yet. But it is volatile, so it can have this reaction towards the testing the 200 moving average again. And in the meantime, we can look for this one. If it breaks out of the 200, then I might even consider going long. Yeah, and it looks like it's going to. Oh, there. Esports. You get my trade. I think you can. Be nice.
Yeah. Technical sideways phase.
High five and above it. So that's good. See, perfectly good trade that we had there. Below that one. And is there something that we could target? That will be nice for us. Yeah, but we do need to see a close. Like, I don't want it to be a weak one. This is not a close. So let's change the alert. Let's set it to on bar close, 3 minutes.
So are we going long?
Yeah, if it breaks out of the 200, I'm considering to go long. Because then the expectation is that it will get this type of move, so that it will fully break out and you get this massive pump, really. Esports, no fill yet. Still some room. Actually, just cancel it if it's there. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's find another one. Nice. How's RSI? Yeah, nice. Now we do need to be a little bit on the conservatives, like already locking in some of the loss. Yeah. Okay. Like, I'm not going to go for this stop loss because then it would be too much. I'm taking this order, this candle as the lowest point. Might be risky.
A little bit.
Because we're not giving it enough room. But it might be just enough to get this fill. Then I think we have... Yeah. This is still an okay one to get. Currently have 3 open positions. Well, 1 pending, 2 open. So I suppose we can take. Maybe we can take. No. Maybe idle.
Oh, wow.
I mean, that's a breakout to the top if I see one. That's a narrow band above the 200. Yeah, I'm gonna be going for that. Target will be 6, I think. Yeah. It's above it, yeah. It's a good one. Getting more. But, yeah. Yeah, I'm going for it. So no dips below the 200 MA. Okay. So now we have 3 open positions. And Linea is already doing well.
Ooh. Look at that. Reaching the fair value gap.
Yeah, if it reaches that, then I'll move the stop loss to top of this candle. Because I don't want to be making a loss on this one then. I want to give it room. Hi-Fi is just above, just closed above the... Yeah, this is looking good. Like that. I don't want to get my loss. And here, yeah, this is my long position there, and this. It might get there again. Yeah, that's good. Okay. Prompt not playing nice yet. Esports. Has that been cancelled yet? Yeah. Took the trade. Okay. And now the question is...
We get closer.
Now the question is, do we get... yeah, okay. It bounced off this. And it's this is the impulse, so we get the correction here.
Yeah.
So it depends. Could still be good. This is the best candle. If this stays red like this on this level, then it's a very good candle.
This candle determines everything. So we should look at the close.
Yeah, because you get like a nice green one, then you get a little bit of pullback, another push up, and then a little bit of a pullback, and then there should be another push up. I mean, the other option is it going green. That's also fine, of course. But preferably it needs to be a good one, because if it's kind of green but stays like this, then you can see that the momentum is reducing. So we can see another bit of it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this, I would have preferred it to be red, but
Yeah, maybe if you switch to Ikenashi, that candle is red. So maybe it's just the. Oh
I
no,
can
it's
actually still green. But it's gonna, yeah. We don't know what it's gonna do. Oh, idle. Oof, idle was on its way. Look at that move.
Hmm.
How many did we take now? Oh, we're okay. So we have a little bit of too many positions open now. It's gonna be tricky to manage, but okay. We've got our system. We've got profits. This one will close soon. This one is basically managed, so it doesn't really matter. I don't need to watch it, but it's nice to see it hit the profit, of course.
I5 is spending. Yeah.
And the rest, yeah, idols. Let me just close this one for a sec because it's just distracting me. And we're not taking any more trades right now because we can't manage 5. Oh, we're actually doing 5.
Let's lock our profits.
Struggling to break through this one. See, the fair value gap is throwing a little bit of an issue here. I'm tempted to lock in a little bit more of this profit. So we had, let me check again. High 5 was 118. Okay. Nice. Nice entry. Nice. We could even increase it because we can start trailing it. If it bounces, like I wanna make sure that it doesn't bounce off the middle line and then just go down. So we'll also lock in some more of those profits. I do want it to be a quick move up. Idle. I mean, this is. I don't want it to break out of the Bollinger Band below, so we'll put that one there. Taking some of the risk off. Oh, the prompt is finally doing something. Idle is staying around.
Ooh.
Oh,
Wow.
ouch. Owie, owie, owie.
Why? Why?
Oh, with how much did we miss this trade? Oh my God. This was 7-1 and we're at 4-8. No, at 6-6. 5 pips. We missed the trade.
No way. Oh.
5 pips. We missed the trade. Oh.
Oh my God. You just call it. You just call it. We were ready, settle everything. Look at that candle. What's happening?
Oh my God. Yee. Oh well. Oh well. Yeah, so this is what I don't want. I wanted to go through. Idle. Idle is. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. Still good. Could still be good.
Oh my God, you were so right.
Yeah.
Just broke.
200, you're gonna see a big pop outside of the Bollinger Band. I said it. I did say it, and I had the trade there, and just by 5 pips, I missed it.
No emotions, Ben. Someone say in the chat, no emotion. But how you can
Honestly,
react without?
I'm not a robot, people. I'm a human.
We have recorded this video for the next future generation. So
Should I take this trade, or am I being emotional now? Should I take this? I mean, look at it.
yeah,
Should I take this trade now, or should I wait? I mean,
some advice, guys. What do you think? We should or we shouldn't?
is this a trade to take or not?
In my opinion, it
Or
is
it's okay. Yeah, you know what? YOLO.
a bit risky, but it is.
Yeah. Oh, crap. No.
Okay.
No. I'm gonna miss it. All right. I don't want to look at it. It's
Just
not.
kill it.
Oh, esports is not. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Hi-Fi. Hi-Fi looks like we're gonna get the boot soon. Yeah, I should have waited. It's not a red candle, is it? Give it 10 more seconds. Give it 10 more seconds. Give it 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, No. Hey! Okay.
Okay. We tried to get the revenge, but never bet the market.
Oh, it's not updated yet. I need to wait. It's doing the heavy calculations. Where's my linear closed in profit. Okay.
Nice one.
So we had 177.
$117.
And 173. Oh, wait, we have to wait because
Okay.
it's not updating yet. Yeah, now it's updated. It was 164 with fees. Okay. And the other one, hi-fi, was 173. And 170. Okay, and then we had the loss. Oh yeah, that was a loss of that. Okay. So we can now see we're at 0.6. So we had 3 trades, 66 success, and 0.6 up. Okay. There we go. My updated stats.
Ooh.
Oh, this is going to be horrible. Yeah, that's another loss. Why is the market turning? What's Bitcoin doing?
Bitcoin, let's see. Bouncing phase for Bitcoin, but the market's still in red.
Okay. Hey. We got our red. We got our red candle. And we've got a nice setup one with the markets dropping now. Yeah. Okay. Might be bad. Who knows? Might be really fast. Revenge trading is the best trading, right? Idle, esports. Yeah, it's going down. It's hitting the spot, but will it be enough?
Ooh.
Oh, the band is so narrow. Like if we zoom, this band is incredibly narrow. My expectation is it's still going to pop off this 200. So my expectation is it's still, but there's a lot of resistance. So as soon as this breaks, I mean, this could fly.
Yeah, skyrockets.
Yeah, I think that these will be the trades that we'll be watching. I'm not gonna take any more trades, because it's nearly the hour, and I like to close the trades before I go away.
Yeah, 4. Exactly. 4.
So, yeah. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Grab your liquidity and go down. Look at what you're leaving here. You're leaving such a huge gap here. I'm telling you want to go down. You don't wanna go up. You don't wanna take my liquidity. You wanna go down. Play nice. Please play nice. We have a lovely audience, and they're here to see profits. They're not here to see me cry, even though I just missed this trade. Just let it, let that sink in, I did that. What was it here? And there somewhere. That was my trade, and it just didn't hit. And now I'm here trying to revenge trade, and I'm getting punished for it. Rightfully so, because you shouldn't do this, but I don't know. It's unfair.
We could add the missing trade on the banner below.
Oh, yeah.
Even if it was miss.
Missed trade 1. It was a beautiful trade.
It was.
And I was just,
Was
I don't know. It just, it's gonna be one of those days, right?
I mean, esports looks like it is on a good entry level again for a buy.
Yeah. Yeah, you see the Bollinger Band is slowly creeping up. But it's really hovering around this 200.
Yeah.
All right, take your profits. Take your profits and sell. Take your profits and sell. Come on. These are the only 4 that we have open, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah, Sui was taken today. But that's a long trade. It's a smart money concept trade, which Roman's analysis is pretty spot on again. No, that's lame. That's lame. Can I have a look at it? People want to see what happened there. We entered there, but this is on a 4-hour. We should check. Yeah. So look, this is gonna be. We have a lot of room down here, and we have a lot of room up there. So all good. It would be nice if we just had. I remember one stream where we had this really basically what happened with hi-fi. This pop, but then in the correct direction, and and where I was in a trade.
Yeah, I do remember.
It was in 6 minutes or something, the trade. And now we're just painstakingly waiting for this.
Actually, using quick scan for some time, you can adapt your eyes to get used to spot the same pattern every time.
Yeah, exactly.
So
I mean, I'm getting back into this. I haven't done this in a long time. Only since we started doing these webinars again, I did this again. But my trading days like this. I didn't have the time anymore, but this was years ago that I did these. It was fun, but just too stressful and too time consuming. Yeah, this is ouchie. Yeah, bye bye. Look, oh man, what a trade this would have been. Just look at it go. Like it's gonna take out this.
It was like, oh my god, 7%.
Oh,
7%.
esports out. How can we be so wrong about all of them now? No, these prompt and idle are just going sideways. And this the revenge again. Revenge trading. Don't do it. If you missed a trade, move on. No emotions, Ben, as Kryptonimo said. No emotions. I'm gonna. Yeah. What should I not have? Emotions. No emotions.
Why we don't listen our community? No, we keep.
I mean, I asked, should I take this trade, and people were silent.
And maybe there was a reason to be silent. They don't. They want to test you, Ben, and you fail.
I'm a failure. Today, I'm a failure. Oh, we need to put in the new because this is now updated and the losses are stacking. I think we're gonna be like, yeah, we're gonna be down. Yeah. We're down 0.4. Mm, 4 trades. Win rate 50. And now, unfortunately, it's gonna be like that.
Look at this. It is another good entry.
Yeah, but maybe my stop losses is just not good enough. Yeah, this might be better. Let's see if we can salvage it. I mean, at some point, this is it's gonna recover to this line. Either the line moves up to it or the price moves toward it. And do I want to get it? I mean, 5 minutes, it's possible, right? That it's going to be just a massive boom down.
If we catch it, we
Yeah.
can recover all the trades.
But did I miss it now? I'm going to be so... This we're going to need a new PC if this happens. This thing is going to be flipped off the table. Oh, that's a shame. That's another loss. Idle was... Idle was up. Prompt evidently went to the wrong side. It never, yeah, it caught up to the middle line and then just tanked.
Yeah.
Couldn't break this fair value gap, which is a shame. Yeah, we're closed. Ooh, not a great day today. But I mean, last week we closed on a high, so
Yeah.
What's to say we're not going to close on a high today either? It's 1.4 4.8 now down. And mind you, we're only trading for an hour, so this doesn't mean so 5 trades and giving us, what is it, 40%, something like that, 1.4. These are the days. It just, yeah. Come on.
Ooh. Okay. First good sign.
I
But
missed it. It just.
Oh. Oh no! I didn't notice. I thought we were the same.
Oh, how can I be 2 for 2?
Twice. Second time, man. Update the banner. Miss it 2 trades.
Well, it's not reached the take profit yet, so it's not a missed trade. But this is frustrating. Yeah, I'm not going to take this one anymore now.
Frustration.
Yeah, to the max. That's for sure. Prompt. Yeah, let's forget about that one. You're not moving. And again, when I come home and I look at it, it's going to be up here. I know it. I know it. If you be trading, like, if you're in this move is correct, right? So this is a correct expectation. And at some point, it's going to do that. Like, this is just a guarantee. It's just a matter of timing it right. And it's the statistical errors here that we just happen to catch all at once. And that's because we're forcing ourselves to do these trades within the hour, right? And yeah.
It looks so bad.
Nah, it looks, yeah. I just so bummed. Like, if we had this trade, we would have been in profit.
Yeah, like 6%.
Yeah, this would have been like a 2% on the trading volume or trading portfolio. I can guarantee it. Yeah, I'm done with this one. And it's not like we're still into like this trade. No, we're gonna forget about this one. So we have 2 trades pending still. And again, these 2 trades can bring us back to the profit. Again. Because what are we expecting here? 4. And here we're expecting
5.
3.5. No, I'm not looking at this. I'm looking at this.
Oh yeah.
3.5. So 7. So if we were to hit the 7, what would that get us to? That will get us to 2.5% on the trade. So if these two hit, then we're looking at 2.5% on the trading volume again, or the trading balance, I should say.
Yeah, but they are very slow because
They're
are
very
stuck
slow.
in a lateral phase. So yeah.
I mean, if we can get a close above this one, it's gonna be okay.
Yeah, but the moving average is getting closer, so at some point there will be a instant reaction at the moving average.
We can see RSI is shaping up, or stochastic shaping up to the positive side. So, and esports, I mean, if esports can break, yeah, on a higher time frame. If you look at a higher time frame, oh, it's a very good market. Ouch. Probably
Long.
That's always scary when you see these new markets because they're so volatile. But I mean, look, it's been pumping quite regularly on the 4 hours. So this was 10 o'clock.
Yeah, since 22 August.
10 o'clock. Okay, so maybe at 10 o'clock tonight, we will see that bounce. Someone's buying at 10 o'clock. What's at 10? Maybe some sports is on at 10, and people think, "Oh, yeah, I need to buy." But this band is narrowing a lot. Yeah. Oh. Wow, this was a good session again. Lots of highs and lows.
Yeah.
I think last week we closed the stream on a loss and then actually closed the day in profit. And
yeah, but was not that big loss, almost close to break even, I guess. I do not remember well, but yeah, overall was like positive. And also when we quit the stream, I remember you just close it after a while, and it was like profit. So yeah, even what happened to my live streaming when you were on holiday, Ben, I did the same. So when I close, I keep open the trades, and when I close the live, I just close after a while the trades in profit. So overall, my session was in positive. So yeah, just because in 1 hour you can't
yeah, sometimes trades take
show.
longer than an hour, right? It's still scalping because you're not going to close on a winning trade just because the stream is ended and you're going to say, "Okay,
Yeah,
let's tally up." That's just silly because the move is there. So if you're not stopped out by a stop loss, we're leaving it open.
yeah,
And we can move a stop loss higher to a profitable position, but I'm not going to move my stop loss to a silly location just to say, "Okay, well, we're going to close it." Like this stop loss is at a correct location. It's still dangerous because this one is very choppy,
yeah.
but that's day trading. Day trading is choppy. If we can get it to close above this middle line, it hasn't done that in a while. And it doesn't look like it's going to do that this time. And this one's also hugging the middle line.
Yeah, they are quite similar.
So in that sense, maybe are they linked? What's idle? Idle is entertainment. Meet 48. And
No idea.
gaming.
Yoldo Games.
Yeah. See, it's so nice to be able to just click on this and just find out a little bit.
Yeah. I don't have to Google it and open multiple tabs and windows just to find some
Because
specific.
if it was a meme coin, I'd be out of there. We don't trade that stuff. No, it's not true. We really don't care. I mean, look at the compression on this one. Look, if we can we draw some trend? Yeah, suppose this is now kind of the trend. Maybe even from here. Yeah. And maybe from this one. Yeah. Looks like it's bouncing off those things. So it's gonna be.
So when is the time when the two line cross? The time is like 5:39.
Yeah, in 30 minutes. So in 30 minutes time, we're going to be either stopped out or in profit, or in less than 30 minutes time, I suppose, because it can still, if it breaks out now, then it's all over. Hey, it closed above it. It touched the 200, went above 200,
Yeah, you see, it was another good entry before at the support level when I mentioned that.
Well, yeah, it was touching this one. It bounced
Quicker.
off. It would have
Yeah,
been like if we got in here in the hope that it would continue to go up, but it did another move down because this also has that compression, right? If we look at it here, so we have this trend line, and we
yeah,
have. I can actually just get it from this. Right. So yeah, it did struggle to get there, but now this is a good sign. This is a good sign because now it's actually ignoring this trend. So these are now it's breaking out. Ideally, if it closes above this one, then we're in a really good position. You see how the Bollinger Band is also moving upwards now, so it's pushing up. I mean, you might be asking, which strategy are you actually trading? Geez, you've got so much on the chart. But I'm just looking for my different strategies that I can see, because I've been trying to train my eyes on these. Um, and if they all point to the same direction, what is the chances that it's not going to go that direction, right? And it's going to be a huge statistical error. So ideally, this one as well. If this can break above this one, then we're good. Preferably, it stays above this line, above the middle line, so we don't want. This is still fine, right? So normally when the Bollinger Band forms, um, can I uh, what do I have that I can use? Yeah. So normally when the Bollinger Band goes a little bit like this, then you have your middle line that goes a bit like that, and you have your bottom line that goes a bit like that. Then, oh, actually, similar because it's symmetric, but okay. And then, so this is fine. So it can be there, and then there, and then there, and then there, and then maybe a breakout. So this is still perfectly fine, right?
yeah,
And it can be a little bit below that, so they don't have to be exact to that. But this is how the Bollinger Bands work. They will be drawn like this at some point. Will it be that case now? I can still go here. But oftentimes it'll go like that and then move along this line. So when will we see it? Yeah, maybe in an hour or so, possible. But if it closes above this one, actually, let's make it a close. Then we're in a good position. And idle is doing the same thing. You don't get more information about the token when clicking on the tab. Is that a new feature? No, it's not clicking on the tab. It's clicking on the market cap info. If you don't have that, you can click here, market header settings, and you can click the market cap on. If you don't have any of this, then you need to upgrade to the new version, which has been live for a year. Because I'm currently on 4.820. So I'm not clicking on the tab, I'm clicking here, market cap. All right, I think it's time to call it the end of the stream. I think everyone for watching again. Want to thank Raffa. We've had some nice. I mean, shall we just have a look and see what Hi-Fi did in the end? Just
Yeah, let's make a recap.
Just to torture ourselves. Okay. Okay.
Ouch.
This one, and we should have stayed out of this.
Yeah, we tried. We tried. Sometimes you get right, sometimes you get wrong. This time was the wrong case.
Well, it was right, and if we had this
Yeah.
job, I would have been out, and I would have been happy
Yeah.
and probably singing home on the way to pick up my kid. But yeah, now I'm gonna be singing the blues.
I mean, this two charts looks great. I mean, it's a good setup for an accumulation phase. Keep
Which-
buying on the deep.
This one? Or
Yeah, I mean both idle. I mean, my case, my opinion, if I was trading, was like every deep a buy opportunity for me.
yeah. Well, we shall see. I will update again on Discord and Telegram to show you the results, and if not, I will show you the results from last week. Yeah. Thanks for funding the markets, guys. Was it you that took my money?
Someone took it. Someone at Wall
There's
Street.
always
maybe.
someone taking your money. There's always someone taking the money. By the way, get a subscription to Altrady. No, you don't have to. You can if you want to. If you find this useful, then you do. But if you're happy trading and you just want to watch for the fun, seeing someone live trade, see how others fail or succeed, you're more than welcome. And then we'll see you again next week with our regular series for the webinars. If you're wondering when do you have webinars, just subscribe to YouTube. Doesn't cost you anything, and you'll get notified. Sign up to Altrady and you'll get emails. You don't even need to take a subscription for Altrady to get notified of these live streams. We send them out for free. So yeah, lots of stuff for free.
A lot of free services for free. And next week I'm gonna run live on Italian channel. So if there is someone who speaks Italian, I will start to do some live on our Italian channel, as we have also an Italian section for Altrady. So I'm gonna try to make some good trades on the my Altrady account.
Those links to the other language channels in the description or on our YouTube channel. We should, because I don't think they are there, right?
I have no idea.
Yeah, just need to make that happen.
Yeah.
While we are watching this market trying to break out of this trend line. I mean, come on. I'm just sitting here, not ending the stream while I actually said my goodbye several times.
5 more minutes, guys. We are close.
Well, I mean, if I'm here watching, you might as well watch with me.
Look at this. We just mentioned we're gonna close the live and look at the chart. Look at the market. It's reacting immediately with a green candle.
3 hours later, I get a phone call from daycare. I have a picture of the kid. Oh yeah. Sorry, I was in a trade. But yeah, it looks like, look how this is moving, right? So you see it a little bit below the Bollinger Band, trying to go back up, hovering around this. Let's hope and pray it's actually going to do what I want it to do. Let's keep the pattern on it. We can see next week, see if it happened.
Oh yeah.
All right, everyone. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Thanks, Raffa.
Thanks, Ben. Thanks, everyone. Bye.
Bye.